Hey, what's up guys, it's Take2 here, and today guys, I'll be going ahead and showing you guys how you can run Android on your Windows 10 PC. With this, you can run games such as PUBG Mobile, Fortnite Mobile, Clash Royale, or any other social media apps such as Snapchat or Instagram. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So starting off, what you guys want to do is to first go ahead and click on the link in the description. It is an iFi link, so make sure to not click anything on the screen and click skip ad after 5 seconds. When you have finished, you should be directed to the website of BlueStacks.com, where you will click download for Windows. After you do that, it will just be a simple installation and it won't take more than 5 minutes. When you have finished installing BlueStacks, it will immediately prompt you to set up the virtual Android tablet, and you can just go ahead and set it up like any other Android device. Afterwards, you can immediately head to the Play Store where you can download the games and apps you want. This is running Android 7.0, which is Android Nougat, so it isn't the newest firmware, but it did receive its last update in December of last year, so the OS is only currently a year old right now. Anyways, after you have downloaded the app or game, it should be just like you're on a regular Android device, except you have the option to control certain things with your keyboard and mouse. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to leave a like, and if you'd like to see more tech tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe. I am actually going to make a video on how to run Android on Mac as well, so stay tuned for that if you're interested, and I will see you guys all next week.